Okay, let's talk about our next concept, which is previous day high and previous day low. We were talking about support and resistance and how there are different kind of support and resistance. So we basically categorize them in two sections. Number one is the support and resistance providers which are already there in the trading setup, like pivot point and CPR. So these support and resistance providers, you basically don't have to calculate yourself. You don't have to mark. You just have to open your trading setup when you're starting your trading, and it is there in the trading setup, and you can put it automatically. So now there is another support and resistance provider which you have to put manually. Okay, this is automatically you are taking out from your indicators chart, and this is manually which you have to take out. So one of such support and resistance provider is previous day high and previous day low. So basically, what is previous day high and low? These points provide excellent support and resistance to the charts, more powerful in the morning, and taking previous day highest and lowest point on the chart can indicate previous day high and low. So what do I mean by that? Okay, as you can see, this is 9th some month chart. This is 9th from here till here, and the market moved, usually went down from this level, went up, and then again from this level it actually went down and went up. So basically this level, if we make a line here, this level was very strong resistance provider, and the price action candle actually could not break it. So this remains our highest point of the day, yeah, for 9th. And this remains our lowest point. I'm talking about price action candles. This remains the lowest point of the day. So for the next trading session, when you will sit on 10th for trading, you will obviously this whole section will not be there for you. This will be empty. However, you have to manually before 9:15, like it is a good habit to have trading setup ready before like 15 minutes max before like till 9 o'clock you should be ready with all these markings. We will talk about this. So on 10th you will mark previous day high and previous day low. So the highest point of previous day and the lowest point of previous day, make a line straight, and now you can see how beautifully the same resistance has been carried out, and the price action candle actually was unable to break this resistance. There must be some strong resistance which is holding this the sensitive line. However, we have to consider that previous day high and low are also strong resistance and support provider. So the next topic which I want to touch is 1 hour high and low. It is a belief that market is opened by amateurs and closed by professionals. When market opens, most of the times it is opened with volatility, which usually lasts for an hour. It is not always, but mostly, making 1 hour high and low, which is 9:15 to 10:15, gives excellent support and resistance to the present day trading. Most of the time, market tends to reverse around 10 to 10:30 in the morning session, which is not always, but with a probability. So here what we are looking is Bank Nifty indices chart, and this is a 3-minute time frame. So we can see this 9:15 when the market started till 10:15. So this is the area which we are talking here. As you can see in this chart, the market actually opened with a gap down, and from here it started going up. Here it faced some resistance and started going down. So if we consider the highest and lowest point of 9:15 till 10:15, so we will be marking this point and this point. So make a line, put a line here on both the ends. This is 1 hour high and 1 hour low for the present day. Now, as you can see, as the market progresses, it actually gave up from the same level which we marked here. And the price candle could not break the 1 hour high resistance. 1 hour high and low are also very good support and resistance provider to the market. When we will be marking it, as soon as the 10:15 candle is made, just mark these 2 points and put it on your chart.